Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today is part 2 in our mini home renovation. And I'm gonna do my best to find the links to all the things that we got for this renovation and link them in our description box down below for you if you really like certain tile or sink or whatever that we got. If you guys have any questions for Hunter or I, we'd love to answer them either in the comments down below, or if you comment on something, we'd love to maybe make a separate video. But this is part 2 in a 3-part process. So by the time this goes up, it's almost done. And we have loved this, and this has been so fun for us. And it's definitely been a process. If you've done renovations yourself, you may know. If you like what you see, please give this a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. It really helps with our viewership and getting our videos out there and seen on YouTube. And let's jump into the video, y'all. All right. So we're at the tile shop. And we are picking up tile and grout and everything that we chose. I'm so freaking excited, y'all. It's gonna look so good. So I don't know that I put in a clip of the things that we chose while we were picking them out, but we got a polished black with white marbling, a textured matte black with white marbling, and we got a really cool pattern in the grout and everything to match. And it's gonna look so good. So excited for everyone to see. Of course, we get in the car as it's literally pouring rain, and we picked up our tile. It's freaking pouring outside. You can't really tell, but I'm literally soaking wet, and so is Hunter. Thank goodness I brought him, because it was just me and 2 girls to load up all 500 pounds worth of tile. Thank you, muscles. Now I am sitting here with the tile that we chose since it got delivered, and I wanted to show you what we were going to do with it. All right, so this tile, as you can see, it's very reflective. It's a polished black marble look tile with the white marbling running through it. So our vision for this is around the fireplace. So all this tile is going to go out and around the entire fireplace. And it's just going to give it this really cool, modern, really sexy look. It's going to be a lot more moody. I think it'll go with the bathroom really nicely. And this is the tile that we got to go on the floor in front of the fireplace. So this tile, it's really dirty right now because it's sitting right next to where we demoed. But this is just a matte black tile, and they're really big pieces. And they are just gonna get laid right along the floor, right in front of the fireplace. And I think it's gonna look really good with the marbling pieces that are gonna go all around it. But yeah, those will just lay all in here. It's gonna look really good. Now, this tile is beautiful. So we really wanted something for the front entryway that could handle a lot of foot traffic. It would be water resistant. It had texture, so it didn't just show a bunch of scratches and things like that. And we wanted it to match the marbling that we were going to end up doing around the fireplace. So we found this really beautiful matte black marble look tile with white marbling running through it to kind of mirror what was going on around the fireplace. But these tiles are really big, and they come in different sizes. So it's got these smaller pieces. It's got little squares that are half this size, and it's got these big tiles. And they'll just be staggered in a certain pattern at the front entryway, and it'll be able to handle the foot traffic because you can kind of see the way the light catches it. It kind of looks like stone, the way that the texture runs through it, which is exactly what we are wanting. It doesn't look like it's just printed. We looked at a lot of different tiles before we chose the ones that we went through. We didn't want it to look just like a bunch of printed tile on ceramic or porcelain. We really wanted to look like it was a part of the tiles that we chose. So this one was perfect. It'll handle the foot traffic, like I said. It'll be nice and water resistant, because that area probably gets the most foot traffic in the entire house, because you enter and you walk all over this. Sorry about that. But yeah, that is the front entryway tile, and it's so beautiful. Okay, so this tile I am so excited about. So this is what we chose to go in our bathroom that we've been remodeling. It's this beautiful, kind of weathered looking tile. It's got this beautiful star pattern running through it. It looks really weathered. This bathroom gets the most traffic as well in our house because it's the one downstairs. So even if it gets a bit dirty, you know, that's kind of the look of it. But it's so freaking pretty, and I think it's going to look really vintage, kind of old school. It helps with the moody vibe that we're trying to achieve in our bathroom remodel. And I just thought it was so beautiful. So it's going to look really good. Here's a closer up of the tile. It just has this weathered look to it. But yeah, I just thought it was so interesting, and in such a small space, I thought it would be nice to have something a lot more interesting than just a solid white or black and white. I really wanted a nice statement tile somewhere in our house, and it was perfect for the size of the bathroom. We started on the front entryway first. Shout out to Derek for helping Hunter cut the tiles for the bathroom, as well as demoing and laying down the tiles here in the front entryway. We love you.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
I'm about to head to Trader Joe's, but we just had Max come finish the grout. And look how good it looks. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's drying right now, but black, I'm obsessed. Y'all, and he grouted the polished marble look tile as well. It looks bomb. He finally put in the matte floor tiles, so Hunter has to grout all of this on the floor tomorrow after it's been drying for 24 hours, and then he'll put the trim around it, and it's gonna look so good. When Hunter was done installing the trim around the fireplace, I went ahead and started taping off the trim so that I could paint it, and then as well, when that was dried, go ahead and start painting the wall around it because we wanted the entire part of the fireplace mantle to be white and for it all to match. And finally, everyone's favorite tile. It looks so freaking good. We're so excited. But it's been grouted. Woohoo. Hunter will put the trim in and I'll have to paint it too, but just wanted to give a progress report. He's gonna help me cut some trim. Well, I'm gonna help him. It's gonna show me. Should be interesting, huh? right, so the tile is all grouted everywhere. It's been installed. Hunter has installed the baseboards in here and the trim over there at the fireplace. So I went ahead and painted. And for the most satisfying part of this type of process, yes, I'm trying to get the painter's tape. There we go. Yes. All right, so slight change in plans. We're gonna repaint the bathroom. There's just a lot of, you can kind of see paint strokes that didn't ever dry properly, and some spots that need to get resanded and repatched that Hunter's working on. I'll have to repaint it. So sometime this week, we'll have to put some glue down and kind of tape off all the baseboards. It'll be better in the long run. We're both can't handle the brush strokes, you know. And Hunter's gonna patch that up today as well for the sink, but we just compared the new light fixture with the mirror that hangs here, and it looks really good. But just a few more details just to make it look a lot better long term. So yeah. Hey y'all, I wanted to give an update. So it is the middle of May now, and Hunter and I finally just decided to make the call to have the bathroom professionally painted, just because there were some streaks and splotches and uneven lines, and I'm not a professional and you can definitely tell in this bathroom. And it was just not able to get covered up properly. So I'm gonna show you guys. They just finished, the guys, Rodrigo and Rodrigo, they just both finished. And holy, it looks perfect. And the baseboards, the ceiling, the walls. They even did, I think, the trim around the door. And it looks amazing. I'll show you. Okay, look, and you can't even see the streaks anymore. Like, holy moly, it looks so good. I'm so excited for it to dry, and that way we can, we're gonna put some things here, maybe hang something here. We've got to put up the light fixture, but like, holy shit, it looks so good. I'm so excited to put in the sink and everything. It's gonna look amazing. Just wow, it's perfection. I'm so excited. We can finally finish. Heck yeah. Okay, so quick update. We ended up having the bathroom professionally painted over, just to help get some of the streaks that I left from when I painted, and they did a great job. Sorry, our ring light is up, but it looks so good. And Hunter is now starting to install everything. Got it. So he's putting in the light. He's gonna do the mirror, the sink that goes down here, and then the toilet. Keep y'all updated. And after he got the light installed, he went ahead and got started installing the toilet, which was a big job. Go, babe. Y'all, we have a toilet. Woohoo! Good job, honey. So impressed. Doing great, yeah. Look at that. Wow. Oh, Hunter's getting the sink in. Little by little. This is just that good. And he got the light fixture up, and that's so cute. So far, so good. Yay! I'm so excited. Y'all, look at him. Oh, you can see the things on the top too. The not so fun, annoying part.
What?
Of it's just the renovation. Should I just try the picture frame again?
I mean, I've already broke one crescent wrench.
Well, then let's not break another, honey. Oh, look at Hunter. He's so good. Ah, so excited. Don't mind the dirty mirror, but look at this. She is sexy, mama. We're gonna put a little toilet, what is it called? Toilet paper holder, towel rack.
Toilet.
Oh my gosh. Then I think over here, I want to do 2 pictures hung one above the other, and we're going to do a couple little small floating wooden shelves right here. But that's to come in the future.